Make a massive list of why you are different. Now that you've made this generic list of all the different things that your skill set could encompass, all the different things that you potentially, that you are good at, but the things that you potentially want to take to the next level, on this assignment, make a massive list of why you are different. And then this can start to sprout it out a little bit, right? This is the difference where you can start seeing, okay, I'm good at this, I'm really good at this, I'm really good at this, this, and this. And then the reason why I'm different from other people is because of my creativity, my imagination. I have this, I have this, I have that, I'm really good at reading people. Whatever you can start to compile together, right? Do that. PewDiePie, at the time of this recording, and he's probably actually gonna be for a very long time, he just passed 50 million YouTube subscribers. 50 million people. There's more people subscribed to him than there are people in certain countries on planet Earth. Okay, that's how massive PewDiePie is. So I want to use him as an example. So PewDiePie just passed 50 million YouTube subscribers, which again is just absolutely insane how many people that actually is. So with these 50 million people, you have to ask yourself, how many other people play video games? There's hundreds of thousands of other people who play video games and record themselves. And there's a lot of big ones too that have a few million, but just no one's even near close to that 50 million landmark, which is just something that a lot of people, it's unbelievable. Let's just say that. So people say, well, what's the difference between PewDiePie and the other gamers? Well, there's a lot of other reasons, but I'm just gonna give you the generic one that is usually one of the differences. It's him. It's his personality. That's the difference. You can watch some people, they give you a personality. You can both play Super Mario World, but when the reactions that they're giving you, the interaction, the laughing, the scare factor, the different ways that they act, that's the difference, right? So on this one, make a massive list of why you are different and what's gonna make the difference between you and someone else.